How to blur moving car license number in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video of this moving car to my timeline and I want to blur its license. Move the playhead above the video, select the video, and go to the color page. From the Window tab, click on Rectangle button to add a rectangle mask. Adjust the size and position of the mask above the license number. Now from the Tracker tab, check the movement of the video. In this case, I only uncheck the 3D. Then click on Track Forward and Backward button to track the subject. Now from Blur tab, make sure you're in the first option, which is for applying blur, then increase radius value. Instead of adding this type of blur, we can add a mosaic blur. Click on this Reset button to remove the blur. Open up Effects panel and drag Mosaic Blur into the node. Now change pixel frequency to your liking. Now if I go back to the edit page, the car license number is blurred. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.